Welcome to My Chefin'. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we are making the most simplest, delicious celery salad. Yes, celery, which has all your great nutrition for you, which we'll get into after. And next to it we have on deck are apples. And who doesn't love cheese? We have cheese.
Yeah.
And of course we have to have our dressing, our mayo. And you know, we do here, what we like to do is mayo and Miracle Whip. And we have to have our nuts. We have to have our extra crunch. Even though we have our crunch from our apples and things, we gotta have our extra protein. So even though we have the protein from the cheeses and also the dairy from that, you still have to have your additional crunch over here. And of course our nice, wonderful little spices, which is our Himalayan salt and black pepper and smoked paprika. So this is, again, once you chop up your carrots and once you chop up your celery and your apples, and you are really set to go. You can get your cheeses in cubes or you can cut them yourself. And once you do that, it's all one shot mixing. So we're gonna get into our vitamin content and we'll be back. Our celery has vitamin C, beta-carotene, flavonoids, and antioxidants. Our apples have vitamin C and fiber. And our cheddar cheese has vitamin D and calcium. Our pepper jack has vitamins A, B12, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. Our mayo has vitamins A, E, and K. Our Miracle Whip has vitamin K. Our walnuts has vitamin B6, E, folic acid, and manganese. And our Himalayan salt has iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Our black pepper, vitamins A, B1, B2, B5, B6, C, E, and K. Our smoked paprika, vitamins A, B6, E, K, and iron. 1 out of 4 of American families with kids do not have consistent access to food. No family should have to experience this. Our wonderful Ian is going to put together our simple salad. So here you go, celery.
Thank you.
Just a dump section.
Yeah, I'm having fun dumping and spreading around.
But you always do such a nice, beautiful job of
Well,
spreading
you know what?
everything out.
So I'm going to just do it my way then.
It's okay.
Here we go.
So you have your red apples.
Hold on one
These
sec.
are gala apples we're using, but you can actually use Red Delicious, Fiji, the Pink Lady, anyone that you like. And this is our Granny Smith apples. As you see, this is real filming. So it started to oxidize already. And that's whenever the oxygen, the cold air hits it, your apples will oxidize. Here's our cheddar.
Yes, cheddar.
But now Ian's going to use the best tool in the house, his hands.
My hands. Let's go have fun. First I'm going to take it off the top, mix it in.
It's looking really good.
All right.
So we'll be back with our serving bowl. So our salad is complete. You see how fast that was, guys? Ian did that so quickly.
Mm-hmm.
And so now we are going to serve ourselves.
Yes.
I know you don't want to eat too much, Ian.
Yes.
Okay. So Ian, let's do it.
Bon appetit, Mom.
Bon appetit.
Let's check this out. I'm going to take a little of everything. One.
Yeah, get a little bit of it.
Cheese. Give me some of
Gotta get my pepper jack.
that.
Gotta get my pepper jack on.
Get your pepper jack on, Mom.
Gotta get my little celery pieces here.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, celery, behave yourself for me. Get my red apples.
Wow. Got a little bite to it too. Refreshing.
Mm-hmm.
Very refreshing.
So you have the sharpness of the cheddar.
Mm-hmm.
You have the kick of the pepper jack.
Oh yeah.
You have the freshness, like, because when you eat celery, it continuously feels like you have water at every squirt, at every bite. So you have that going on. You have the crunch of the walnut. And then you have the sharpness of the apples. That nice crunch and crisp of the apples. It is truly a party in your mouth with a whole bunch of different variety of flavors and things going on. You wouldn't think so from looking at this, but it is. It's truly like a lot of different things kind of going on all at one time.
It's got some really neat flavors all together.
Listen, here's our call to action. Don't forget to hit the like button. When you hit the like button, you give us a virtual hug. And Ian and I, we love hugs. We're big huggers.
Mm-hmm.
And subscribe. When you subscribe, that encourages us to keep going, to know that you're loving what we're putting out. And we want to continue coming up with new creative things for you. And give you some nutritional facts, too, that I know that you love to hear. And sharing is so important. I've always been taught, Ian, have you been taught this?
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring since I was a kid.
Yeah, of course.
So share this. Share this with your family and friends. I'm sure they'll love it.
And your side employees to a party of it.
Yes.
It's
You know,
great.
say, hey, there's this great channel out there that talks about vitamin stuff in their food. And they also bring up a great cause of food insecurity.
Yes.
So I have to do this with my little smoked paprika, my celery, some of my apple right here.
Tell me what you think, Mama.
Ian, I'm loving the sweet, savory, and tangy, and spicy. I'm loving every bite.
That's what I like to hear.
So join us, be part of our family.
Yes, be part of the family. Very important.
So thank you for hanging out with us today. Come back and hang out with us again. And we look forward to just bringing out new content for you. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.